after my walk. Man, it's a nice little trail right here. Super nice cross-country vibes. Man, nothing more peaceful than this right here. Oh, super relaxing right now. This is dope.